Yeah, guys, today what I'm going to do, I'm gonna make some rice porridge. Yeah, see me put my rice in the coconut juice and I go grate two more coconut. You understand, Marty? I go make it boil in this and I go grate two more coconut. I couldn't see what I go on. So, guys, what I go do, I go make my rice go and boil. And I couldn't see what I go on. You understand, Marty? So, what I go do now, I go light up my stove, make your rice go and boil. Meantime, I grate the other coconut them. You understand, Marty? So, guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen today. I'll be a badness. Yeah, you don't know. When you come to Nicholas' kitchen, I'll be a badness in the kitchen. So, guys, watch what I go on. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so what I go do now, I boil my rice. What I go do, I go blend it and I can see what I go on. You understand, Marty? Yeah. So, I'm gonna blend my rice, guys. I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness. Okay, guys, so I boil my rice and I go blend out it now and I'm gonna see what I go on. So, guys, I'm gonna stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Yeah, guys, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to blend the coconut in my rice. I'm going to blend my rice first and then I blend the coconut. So watch what I go on. Yeah, guys, so I want, so this is the rice, so the blend out, yeah, pour it in the pot. Don't know about this go. Have some more, so I'm going to blend out everything. You understand what I did, yeah? I'm going to blend out all. So, guys, when we finish blending it, I go blend my coconut juice and make it so yeah, guys, so I stay tuned for me to blend up my coconut. We don't blend the rice, but boil the rice, then we blend it. You understand how this, so I go on in the pot and you say thick. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to blend up the coconut juice and pour it inside. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look on my rice porridge. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I finish blending my rice. See the rice over there, so there. You understand how I did? I'm going to light up the stove now and I'm going to make it go and boil and so I go on in the kitchen. Guys, I'll be a badness. So what I'm going to do now, blend up the coconut and throw in the coconut juice, then go and boil. You understand how I did, yeah? Guys, the rice porridge I go bad. I don't like it. Like the first time I do this, be honest with you, it's the first time. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. going to do now, coconut finish blend out what I'm going to do. Just strain off the coconut and make it suave, man. Guys, be about this tonight. That's what I said. Rice porridge, be about this. Yeah guys, so look what I'm going to pot over here, so be about this. You see that? That's it. These are the rice. Yeah. Rice blend out and you understand all these. What I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to pour in my coconut milk. Guys, so 2 coconut me blend up. Yeah, so I'm going to pour my coconut milk now and make it go and boil. You don't know about this go already. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look on my rice porridge. You understand how these look at that guys? See that guys, a lot of porridge plate. Rice porridge. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some ground cinnamon. Then I'm going to put some cinnamon and make it go on boil. You understand what I did, yeah? So I'm going to put in some cinnamon powder, make it go on boil. Guys, I want to go bad, I don't lie to tell you. Remember that. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. My rice porridge. And guys, I don't like when porridge watery. You understand how this? I like my porridge thick. Yeah. Rice cook already, you know, but so me just put in, me blend up 2 more coconuts. So what I'm going to do, make it boil down. You understand how I did? Yeah, make it coconut juice go and cook. So guys, stay tuned to the finishing look on my rice porridge. Guys, I want to sell off, I don't lie to tell you. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah guys, look what I go on in my pots. So that guys, be a badness, be a badness, be a badness guys, be a badness in my kitchen. You don't know my cinnamon powder in it, I go and boil. Boil under the coconut juice, you understand how this? Yeah, be a badness. Guys, it's the first time I'm going to do this. I want you to believe me, it's the first time. Guys, I don't like to cook my pot dirty. Yeah. So guys, want to stay tuned to the finishing look when you're done and in the plate. You understand how I did? Guys, I be a badness. You don't know a badness, gonna soon come back. Guys, I don't want to shut up the pot. Right, I go boil out. Yeah. Guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some vanilla and grate a nutmeg. I'm not going to put too much of nutmeg because you don't know we have a cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Don't know about this go. Guys, I'll be a badness in a Nicholas kitchen, you know. You don't know anything going on anytime when you come in my kitchen, I'll be a badness. Them type of food, yeah? Oh God. Yeah, so that is my vanilla. Yeah guys, my vanilla. Also, Guys, be a badness. Watch it. That's that rice porridge, you know, guys. Rice porridge, yeah. Blend out the rice and we don't know about this already. So I'm gonna do now, guys. I'm leave half piece nutmeg. Yeah. Now piece of nutmeg, yeah. So I'm gonna use them up. Yeah guys, so put in my nutmeg now. So what I'm gonna do, stir him and we can go and boil. You understand what I did? Yeah. We can go and boil so more we can see what going on in our pot. And guys, this is my milk. Yeah. Nestle coconut. Be a badness guys, be a badness. I'm going to load on the stove, make it go and simmer. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look on my rice porridge. Guys, this is the first time. Soon come back. Yeah guys, what's going on in my rice porridge pot. Guys, I'll be about this here. Remember me tell you. Be about me. Be about me. So now I can boil down a little more. And then we put in the milk. You understand what I did? Yeah. After I say in the milk, yeah, you don't know about this already. Guys, I'll be about this. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to mix my porridge. You understand what I did? Yeah. I'm going to mix up my porridge. I'm going to see what I'm going. Be a badness guys. Guys, be about this. Yeah guys, so look what I'm going in the pot. Sweet me man, something you understand what I did, I like taste good. So stay tuned for when it's in the plate guys. Yeah, look for my rice porridge. Look there. Guys, stay tuned for when it's in the plate. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, you know about you don't know the badness go already. Me use the cup and take out the porridge, you understand what I did, yeah. So guys, so you're looking at the pot. I'm gonna make your seat when it's in the plate. You understand what I did, yeah. Dear people, so this is the finishing look of my rice porridge. Remember guys, rice porridge. You understand what I did? Yeah, you don't know about badness go already. Guys, see you in our next video. I want you to drop a comment and tell me what you think about my rice porridge guys. Yeah. So guys, see you in our next video. I'm out.